Reggae singer Influential, life is in danger over the release of the track Pon the Life.
Pon the life. Life. Influential. The camera them away.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Reggae singer Influential say he was forced to file 3 police reports following the release of his single Pon the Life.
Influential. Me no want no man a ramp with me life. Wanna load me up, me no got no spear, man, I no post, no, me no have no 9 life.
Known for a social commentary, Influential on the track took a few jabs at several industry players and their obsession with social media.
Happy corner, them a keep on the life. Can't go up ball like a bitch on the life. Some boy no bad, no real life, yet them bad on the mafia say beating up PM for the tune them way right. Killer who da say me can't believe me eye. What do you me see that girl from St. Lucia? She said Jack here is a user. The people them want know what the hell do the gas for you. Him take no big magnum ball out, no him gone with the banana. Jada Kingdom link me August town what they run for me corner. Some go link Snowman and Canada and make him know the saga. Marlon Samuels put up 10 million spoon head, not take the offer. From Reagan King Buster, me remember Tabili Sparta. Mock them and on the net I do one piece of self-torture. So it's real, who said that no rapper? Right now near my car. Tell the eye them have no fear at all. The girl them have some boy record. Me hear them come and talk about hot world on the line. Same boy will try to friend me and kill me when man arise. Say no man and no hot cross scheme thing that I don't mind. Him know say man a bad man, the only thing out of me night. You tell me loud the music through your door while me shine.
According to the entertainer, since the release of the song, he has been bullied and threatened. He has also been called numerous times and told to remove the video and the song from social media platforms. The artist also said he has been trailed by a Probox motor car on a few occasions.
And from this song come out, then me see the stupidness start go on. Them know so me no trouble people, you know. Me no go out and trouble people, but we in the studio the night and the vibe just come for the song and we just do the song. Them a try to take me for a walk over, but it now really goes to come. I don't know why them at me so. I forgot to the police station because me see this Probox car keep on a trail me. And I wonder why them a trail me. You know, I'm just turning at the station and then them driveway. Then this morning, you know, when I went to jog, in about the 7 o'clock hours up on the hill to jog. When I came back down to my car, I realized that the windshield mash out and them stab up my tire them. So I don't know why all of this for. Them a try to scare me because people tell me to leave, you know? I just want to know. Them take me for stupid or something. Right now my car at the same place. Me have to use record now to take my car and all kind of madness now. All of my document, everything in there just the same. Everything in the car right now. Mash up the car really bad, you know? Because of one song. Because that's it. Look how much song I sing. And through this one song, I don't do it in another derogatory way either. I never step out of the realm of Influential. Like the same kind of how I come out from the days of Roadhog and them things. I come out and say I be a picture of them and take me come back. Me one about cancer and them things. I do good songs. So if them did a listen to the song and say, basically me I tell them, so look here, you get a hold on yourself on social media and stop the foolishness. You know, because the world watching. And that them forget from the song, them I take it all wrong.
Influential, who is best known for his song, Roadhog.
After man I make a flex, I go a waste, I try my best, no create no mess. Me see a youth and make careless drive, yeah. And nearly make me lose all my life. Roadhog nearly kill me. Oh God.
Says after he went jogging in Jackshill on the morning of October 26, he returned to find the windscreen of his motor vehicle smashed and his 4 tires slashed.
Come here, no man, the whole of them know say we don't have no. But if me see where them are going with, so me just start going. And
then I take it.
You have some man who power with artists.
Let me take it.
You have some man who power with artists. Them will kill them. And the artists them will do it.
I rubbish that, even if you don't like a song at all, man. Everybody knows the man.
Everybody do it. So what
true words in that song, man.
So peeps, you know, I saw the music reach down.
Me no want no man a ramp with me life. Wanna load me up, me no got no spear, man I no post, no, me no have no 9 life.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.